In this video, I will show you how to create a door interaction. First, add a raycast to your character, enable the area's property, and adjust its position. Then, add a control node, set its size to full rect, and add a label node, centering it. After that, load any door model you want and create two animations for opening and closing the door. After creating the animations, add an area 3D to your door and attach a box shape with the size of the door. Then, add the 5 lines of code you see in your script. They will give access to the raycasting object called raycast when the scene loads. A variable named door_is_close will be defined to track whether the door is open or closed. With the door being closed by default, an empty variable will be created to store the collision object. Access to the animation player that controls the door animations will be obtained when the scene loads, and access to the label element that displays text on the screen will be. Place this code inside the process function. This code will check if the player is interacting with the door using a raycast. If the player is close to the door and presses the E key, an animation will play based on whether the door is open or closed. First, if the ray collides with an object, the text "press E to interact" will appear on the screen. If the colliding object is door_area and the player presses the E key, the door will either open or close. When the door is open and the player presses E, it will close. When the door is closed and the player presses E, it will open. No new animation will start while one is already playing. If the ray does not collide with any object, the text on the screen will disappear.